Oh, that was the slider. They rigged it with a rubber band. There's actually a video of him online. Everyone's like, video of him. Can you pull out the rubber? Yes.
Okay, just go right ahead and begin your inventions and have
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
We can start it from the beginning if you want.
Yeah, I want.
He's Magellan. He was the greeting robot for a summer program.
Yay.
Mejores. Sí, es la tesis. 아, 기스나스. 때문에 여기 있구나. 아, 이걸 사진 찍어야 되겠다. CC가 이걸로 되게 이거 원래 아닌 것 같아. 무슨 레오나르도 아니메이션 이게 레오나르도 얼굴이랑 똑같이 생겼는데
closer because it's ignoring the depth value. However, you'll notice there's 20 other points on the body and it guesses where they are if I try and trick it. So if I put my hand behind my back, it doesn't know I'm really doing my hand up there. It guesses that I've got it down here. So it's doing its best guess when it can't see you. So I can do some Irish dancing and it'll just do its best to figure out what I'm doing. No one knows what you're doing when you're Irish dancing. So, river dance is a lie. So what we do now is what do we do with this 20 pieces of data? Well, we make games with them, because that's fun. I didn't actually do that with my body, if you're wondering. So, the very first game you try out is Pong. Now, this game requires you to be able to move your two hands independently. So here I am, and after a few seconds the ball starts, and every time it bounces off it goes a little bit faster. and eventually it's going so fast you can't actually play the game. But you can move your knees, you can walk around, because it's only tracking my hands. It's not tracking any other bit of me.
Cool.
And as you notice, the ball gets faster and faster, and it keeps a high score when it lands. That entire program, how many lines of code is it to track the hand? Well, let's have a look. So there is the left paddle. When the program begins, move the paddle to its starting position. It always stays at minus 180 on the left-hand side. And you see there's a hand left, so my left hand, Y value is a sensor value, and it's tracking where my hand is in height, and it just maps it. So short, and you've got 1978 tennis Pong written, and you're using your hands as controller. You can't beat that. So, we'll try Space Invaders now. So Space Invaders is using gesture control, and this is how you teach Booleans. It's tracking my head, that's easy. If I put one hand up, nothing happens. Put the other hand up, nothing happens. Put both hands above my head at the same time, launch a missile at those alien invaders. That'll teach you to come to my planet. There you go. I thought you weren't going to laugh at me. There we go. So, how does it work? Well, we use a Boolean and to say if this hand